Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install. So today's wig is from Wiggins Hair. This is their 250% density popping curly 13x4 lace front medium length human hair wig. That was a mouthful. We have not done a hair tutorial with Wiggins Hair in quite some time now, and honestly they came back with a vengeance with this curly bob wig. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alrighty, so here is the hair. As I told you guys earlier, this wig is actually 250% density, so she is super full, but this is a nice curly bob wig. The lace does come pre-plucked for you, as you guys can see, so I did not have to do any work when it came to that because the lace literally came ready to go. I did bleach the knots off camera, which I will show you guys what it looked like afterwards in a bit. But that is the inside of the wig, and I have 3 combs here. I also have the adjustable straps at the bottom and the elastic band for a nice glueless wig install. So once again, I'm just giving you guys a close-up of the inside of the wig, and I will be giving you guys a close-up of that lace as well. As I mentioned earlier, I did bleach the knots off camera. So the first thing that you want to do is throw the wig on. Make sure everything is fitting nice and tight, nice and secure. If you are able to do a full-on glueless wig install, you are more than welcome to. That's what that elastic band is for. Me personally though, with a 13x4, I will have to use some spray, but we will not be using any glue. You guys know I do not use glue regardless, but I will be using spray. Before we secure the lace down, I will be cutting off all that additional lace that we no longer need. Alright, all the lace is gone, so now it is time to secure this lace down. So I will be using some melting spray by Eben. Everything that I use will be listed in the description box down below. Just so you guys know, the lace is a nice Swiss lace, so it is actually very thin and very easy to blend in with your skin color. I do add some makeup later on, by the way, just so you guys know, but look how that's melting right away without the makeup. So they did a really good job, and remember that hairline does come ready for you, so I did not do any additional plucking at all. I left it the way that it came. So now the lace is officially melted, so I will be adding some makeup only because it looks a little bit too white for me and I really want to make sure that it blends in with my skin color. So I'm just going in with some foundation. Again, everything that I use will be listed in the description box down below inside my Amazon store. So once I finish with the makeup portion, well, adding the makeup to the lace, I will be going in with a middle part, and then as usual, I will be securing my middle part as well as the form of the wig and how I want it with a wax stick and the hot comb. You guys know I like to make sure the top of my wigs are laying as flat as can be. Alright you guys, so the install portion is complete. It is time for the styling portion, which I already did one side off camera, and honestly the styling portion is like a 1, 2, 3 type of thing in general. When it comes to curly hair, you do not have to do too much, and that is the beauty of having curly hair. But this one is a bob, so I really feel like she is perfect for the summer. So all I'm doing is adding some water. I'm not going to like drench the hair, I'm just getting it damp enough to the point where I could finger detangle, and then I will be adding some mousse afterwards just to make the curls pop, and I just let it air dry. Being that I did not add too much water, you don't have to wait too long for the hair to dry, even though she is very thick. But if you're in a hurry, if you have like a diffuser or something like that, you can use that. But let's go ahead and talk about the quality of this hair. Number one, I actually do love the quality of the hair. I didn't have any tangling, I did not have any shedding, thank God, because this wig is 250% density. So the last thing you need is for a whole bunch of tangling to happen. Like, no, we do not need that because the hair is already super full. When it comes to curly hair in general, you know, curly hair tends to tangle very often, but I did not get that with this particular wig, so that's a good thing. I also really did enjoy the lace because the lace did not take too long for me to melt. I didn't really have to do any additional work as far as making it look believable. And the hairline, I love the fact that they sent you the wig with the hairline already pre-plucked, and it was definitely quality pre-plucked because I did not have to do any additional work and I did not have to do any additional touch-ups. So I love that part as well. Okay you guys, and we are officially done with this install. That wasn't too bad, right? Definitely comment down below, let me know what you think of this wig. As I mentioned earlier, everything will be listed in the description box down below. Shout out to Wiggins Hair for this beautiful curly full bob, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.